Oh my god, I'm gonna buy the event pass. It's worth $500. Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about the new features coming to Rollercoin and the new season. Oh, I will also buy the event pass completely. And its current value is 566 roller tokens. It's something like $500. I last made a withdrawal video about Rollercoin 2 months ago. And after that video came the new season and new features. But before I talk about them, let me talk about what Rollercoin is for those who don't know. Rollercoin is a virtual mining simulator. So you can mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Doge, TRX, Solana by playing this game. So let's see it for ourselves. When you enter Rollercoin, you see such a page. I mean, you don't see such a page, you won't have those miners and your speed will not be like that. But let's start from the left panel. Here you see electricity. I will mention that later. Below that you see your power. Your power shows how much speed you have and in how much speed you mine. The higher speed you have, the more money you will make. The network power shows what other users mine at the moment. And the block reward shows you how much money you make every 10 minutes. Like right now I'm mining BNB and here shows how much BNB I make per 10 minutes, every 10 minutes. And you can change what you want to mine from here. You can click split power and you can say like, I want to mine with 50% of my speed Bitcoin and the other 50% BNB. Or I want to mine with all my speed Ethereum and nothing else. You can do that. But basically that's the left panel. Now, that's the important question. How am I gonna increase my speed? How I can make more money? Well, you have two options. The first one is to play games from here. Like you can come here, you can play games, and when you play games, you gain speed. You don't gain immediately money, but you gain speed, and with that speed, you can mine more. Like you increase your speed here. And the second option is to get miners, and that's what electricity is for. So if you have enough money to get a miner or if you drop some from the games, you put them here on a shelf and they mine for you with their speed. Like they have a specific speed and they mine with that. And they need electricity so they can mine. And here every bar indicates 1 day. So if you don't enter the game and click recharge here for 5 days, they will stop mining. So you can just, come here every day or every 2 days and click recharge and you will be fine. Now, I think we understood what the left panel is for. Now let's come to the above panel, like here. Here you see the store. It says like sales and popular. Here you have a weekly offer, like new miners and stuff like that. Below that, it's the event pass, which we're gonna buy in a minute. But you don't necessarily have to buy the event pass to get rewards because there are also free rewards. You can get them by completing some quests here, gaining some XP and leveling up here. And those that say free, you can get them for free. Here we have the season store, and on season store you can buy new miners and everything that you see here with the new token that came with that new season, the RST token, and you can buy this stuff. And on the miners section you can buy all the miners that are in the game. Not all the miners, those that are available at the moment. Like those are out of stocks. This one, Happy Easter, just came for the Easter, and when the Easter ended, they stopped selling it. At the moment, you can buy those miners for their prices and the speed that they give. After that, there is the game section here. I did mention a little bit, but there are also other things that you need to know. Like, you can play those games and gain speed. But that's not all. When you win those games, you level up. Difficulty goes up and the games become harder and harder. But that's, kinda better because when you level up and still continue winning, you will earn more speed per game. Like the reward will be higher. And the next part is the marketplace that came this season. It's something new, and basically here people sell their miners, their parts, their racks. If you need a new miner or if you need parts, if you need racks, you can come here and buy some. Or if you have some and you don't want them or you want some RLTs at the moment, you can sell them here. I did sell one item in the marketplace because it was trash, the speed was quite low, so I sold it for 0.25 RLTs. It's nothing, I know, but I just sold it because I don't need it. And finally, there's the inventory. And here you can see your parts, like the parts that you have and the miners that you can merge. So I have 2 of those miners. Each give me 30,000 speed. So basically 2 of them give me 60,000 speed. But if I merge them with some parts like fans, cables, hashboards, I can increase that speed to 69,000. So I also get a better miner, but I also get space because now I don't have 2 miners. I only have 1 miner. It doesn't occupy a space. This is more or less the logic of Rollercoin. So if you like playing games, like mini games, you can play these games and you can earn some extra cryptocurrencies. And if you find it boring, you can just simply open a video, open a TV show, open a movie, on the second screen, or if you don't have a second screen, on a different device, and watch the movie and play the games. I don't know, be creative. So let's buy the event pass. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy the event pass. It's worth $500. I got left 18 roller tokens. That's good. Get all rewards again. So that's what my room looks like at the moment. My speed went up to 5.2 pH. I think it's pretty good. I also bought this miner here, which it was like on the season store. This one here, I already had some RST tokens. I gained some from the event pass, so like I had 26,000 RSTs, and I bought this miner here, and that's my room. I think it's pretty good. Let me also talk about this. I didn't invest any money in this game. Get out of there. And how did you get the 500 RLT event pass? I bought it thanks to you. Seriously, I didn't know there was so much interest in Rollercoin. I made videos both on this channel and on my Turkish channel and put my own reference link under those videos. I mean, I did mention them in the videos. And when you signed up with my link, I earned 20% from your earnings. Like, you didn't lose any money, but because I invited you to Rollercoin, Rollercoin gave me a 20% extra. And I invited like 2,200 people. I never thought it would be like this. Well, thank you, I don't know what to say. By the way, in the video here, I'm trying to earn money by playing Rollercoin for 7 days. So, see you again in that video. Bye bye.